Welcome to our tutorial on how to calculate payments. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up a finance company, adding default rates, and calculating payments in a deal. Let's get started. First, let's create a new finance company. Click the app launcher icon and enter Finance Companies. Click New. Enter a name for the finance company and make sure you select the active checkbox. Enter the new and used vehicle rates as well as the new and used vehicle buy rate. Select Federal for the calculation method field. These values will default when the finance company is selected in a deal. Set the reserve percentage to indicate the percentage reserved for the dealer. Use the screen order to control the order in which finance companies display. When you're done, click Save. To select a finance company on a deal, go to the Payments tab. Select a finance company and the default rate and buy rate will be applied. The days to first and term will be applied based on your location settings. You can edit any of the fields, allowing you to customize terms to meet the needs of the bank or customer to close your deal. If you do not want to see a payment, you can set the term to 0. You can also use the terms calculator to compare different financing options. Set a down payment and an increment to compare to, set a rate and click Calculate. And that concludes our tutorial on calculating payments with finance companies. Thank you for watching.